Well, hello, Coffee Time friends. How are y'all doing this evening? We have some new merchandise. This is one of our favorites we've gotten so far.
Yeah.
And locally, anyway, at least, family-wise, Mama's famous for her lemonade. Everybody loves Mama's lemonade. So, for summertime, we've got new tumblers. This is the 20 ounce and the 30 ounce. And it says, Mama's lemonade. And then, my dad always would say, it's a good run. And then it says it's a good run on the bottom of it. It's a good run, Mama's lemonade. And you have the 20 ounce and the 30 ounce size. And they are Polar Camel, and they are double wall, vacuum insulated, fits most cup holders, sweat free technology, superior hot or cold retention. So that's what's inside of the cup, and that's what these are. So they're wonderful. I love them. I use them, and we've got all of our other tumblers. The small one, I use this one quite often. I'll start out with a cup of coffee in the morning for breakfast, and then I got to run out the door, so I just pour it in here, and it stays hot, and I use this all day to enjoy hot coffee.
I'm going to tell on you, when you do that, you take 2 cups of coffee to work.
I do. I'll take both of these. But I got the one I've been drinking on to go with me. This is the white one. Mama uses this one all the time. And these say, Coffee Time with John and Momma. And this is the black one I use all the time. It says the same thing. It's hard to get to y'all can see. It's Coffee Time with John and Momma. I think y'all have seen these several times. Of course, we have our black coffee mug, the white one, and Mama's drinking out of the red one, of course.
And he was so jealous that he ordered him a red one.
I have my very own red
one.
I have my very own red one.
He says, so I can drink out of my red one anytime I want to.
Go to the Etsy store. Check these out. These are wonderful. They're yellow. They're bright. If that don't say summertime, I don't know what does. Look at that lemon on there. Makes me want some fresh squeezed lemonade, Mama.
Oh, yeah, we're going to have to work that up. Maybe Saturday or Sunday.
And I know the writing may be backwards on the screen. I can't help it. But it's not backwards on the cup. It's right. Mama's lemonade, and it says, it's a good run. So, we just love these.
That just makes me think of your daddy. He always said that.
He'd take a drink and say, that's a good run. So, that is Mama's lemonade. Both of them. Those are the new things we have. Mama's birthday is coming up next month.
In a few days. Yeah,
the month of August the 4th. And Mama, show them your apron and your red cup. These are 2 of Mama's favorite things.
Patriotic today.
Oh, you have on red, white, and blue.
Yeah, very patriotic.
These are 2 of Mama's favorite things. And for her birthday, we're going to do a combo. So you'll be looking for that in the month of August. The apron and the cup combo. Because these are Mama's favorite things. The red apron and the red cup. So for her birthday month, we're going to have a special on that. Just go to our Etsy store and you'll find out all the details on that. And you'll see a picture of Mama. I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to take a picture of her right now in a minute and send it so they can add it to the store. So you'll see her in this outfit ready for her birthday month. Mama, you going to tell me how old or how young you're going to be?
I am proud to say the good Lord, if I live to August the 4th, I will be 73.
73 wonderful years.
Yeah.
Good, Mama. What do you want for your birthday?
I've done got everything.
Showers of blessings.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll come up with something good for you.
You've already been good to me.
I've been buying her stuff for about a month. So,
that's the truth.
Mama, this is for your birthday.
Everything he gets, he'll say, usually from Mother's Day to August the 4th, everything he gets and brings in, that's my birthday gift. And from Easter to Mother's Day, that's my Mother's Day gift.
And then, after her birthday, everything's for Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Mama. You got anything else for this evening?
No, I just appreciate everybody watching and buying the cups and stuff and ordering them and being part of our family.
I think maybe one day coming up real soon, Mama, you need to make some of your mama's homemade lemonade, and we can drink out of these cups and show them how wonderful they drink.
Yeah. You want lemonade.
We don't drink lemonade a lot because it's got some sugar in it, but we do drink
But
it occasionally.
It ain't good if it don't have a lot of sugar.
No, it ain't. So maybe Sunday. That's a special kind of occasion thing. You can't just have lemonade on a plain old Tuesday or
We
Wednesday.
do sometimes.
All right, folks. We just wanted to hop on here and show you what we got in the Etsy store. The Mama's Lemonade. It's a good run. Cups.
And it's such a beautiful color.
I love the yellow.
Oh, yeah. It's so pretty.
And
Very pretty.
you talk about summertime. Drinking lemonade out of one of them. Now
You
that's
have my
summertime.
name on it. It has to taste better.
That's what makes it sweet, Mama. We don't need no sugar. But next month, be looking for the combo with the red apron, red mug. Get them together, and you'll see all the details on the Etsy store. We'll put the Etsy link above this post, and you all have a good evening. Find you something good to eat today. Make you some memories. Make you some lemonade, just in time for your cups to get there. Say goodbye, Mama.
Goodbye, Mama. God bless you all.